Tired of document chaos? Let's ditch the frustration and get Microsoft Word up and running on your Windows 11 PC in just a few easy steps. First, let's explore the Microsoft Store. This is often the quickest route. Locate the Microsoft Store icon, usually found on your taskbar. Click on it to open the store. Once the store is open, head up to the search bar, type in Microsoft Word and hit enter. You'll see several options, including standalone Word or a Microsoft 365 bundle. If you only need Word, choose the standalone application. If you want the full suite of Microsoft apps like Excel and PowerPoint, opt for Microsoft 365. Note that Microsoft 365 requires a subscription. Click on your chosen version, and then click the install button. The download and installation process will begin automatically. You can track the progress on the screen. Installation time depends on your internet speed, but it usually doesn't take too long. Once it's done, you'll see an open button. Alternatively, if you already have a Microsoft 365 subscription, you can download Word directly from the Microsoft website. After logging into your account, find Word in your Start menu under the recently added section. Click the icon to launch Word. And that's it. Microsoft Word is now installed and ready to use on your Windows 11 machine. Go ahead, start creating those amazing documents.